10 plus best text-to-video iGenerators, powerful and free. iVideo generators make it easy to make videos from any text. DeepBrain I. Creating iVideo is much easier because it has a chroma key function and a PPT to video function. ModelScope. The ModelScope text-to-video generator, created by one of the divisions of the Chinese internet behemoth Alibaba, and based on the diffusion model, was released by Hugging Face at the end of March. Stable Diffusion Videos. Stable Diffusion Videos is a free online text-to-video iGenerator to make videos from prompts. Deforum Stable Diffusion. Using Deforum SV, it is now simpler than ever to produce coherent films and animations from Stable Diffusion outputs. Make a video. The research, which was created to enable text-to-video generation, is based on recent developments in text-to-image generating technology. Beat.io. It can be used as a video editor to chop, crop, add subtitles, and more, or to convert any text into videos. Lumen 5. You can upload your own text, music, and logos. Designs.ai. It can also help you swiftly design logos, films, and banners. Synthesia.io. One of the amazing iVideo generators is Synthesia, which makes it simple to make realistic iVideos in a matter of minutes. InVideo.io. You can add media, such as audio, video, text, and more.